Here's a smart plug that I've got, powered by Tuya and compatible to Google Home. Smart plugs are the easiest way to convert your non-smart electrical appliance. You just have to plug in your device into the smart plug and then to your power point, and you get to control the power over the app. But I would say that it only does part of the job, which is just to power on and off. So here I'll show you what I use them for. Hey Google, turn on candle.
Got it. Turning on the candle.
I have a candle warmer that only needs to be powered on and off and nothing else. So it makes sense for a smart plug where I can just control it without having to physically going over to power it. In my study room, I have multiple devices connected to a power extension cord that I've hidden under the table, so it might be hard to reach. Furthermore, I don't want all of them to be on standby mode to prevent them from draining electricity. I've also used the smart plug for devices that I leave it on to charge. The smart plug allows me to schedule them to turn off at a certain time, or I can just turn them off remotely. So that's all for now. If you can think of more uses for the smart plug, please share your comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Goodbye.